Masaya kasi syempre, ano yan, bigay ng Diyos sa
Blessing
atin
yan eh. Tapos, baby.
The storm. I know you know, I know you know all of this. Don't stop me now, don't stop me from saying.
Nakakaiyak.
You can light in the light and light it show. Let it burn like the fire in your bones. If you're up at night and you're feeling tight and you're barely holding on, you can let.
Yung Mia kasi, kahit madalas na nagagalit si Daddy, love mo pa rin si Daddy. Tsaka sumusunod ka.
Sumusunod pa rin
Palagi.
siya sa amin.
Kay Miro naman, siguro hindi niya pa alam kasi baby pa siya. Pero pag pinapagalitan naman siya, sumusunod pa rin siya. Nakikita naman namin.
Brighter, I wanna burn a little bit brighter. I wanna stand a little bit taller. Got my head in the clouds, I'm lost in the sound. I won't look back, no, I'll stare down the sun. Gonna stand.
Welcome to Mia and Miro's birthday party!
We're dreaming but we're wide awake. Yeah, I know that we'll be okay.
Si Mia, malambing kasi si Mia eh. Laging mayakap, nagkikiss, gano'n. Si Miro, ang gusto lang naman namin sa kanya, yung sa amin lang siya sumasama.
I'm tired of feeling so empty. Got my feet on the ground.
So ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause for our birthday celebrant, Mia and Miro Cortez!
We're dreaming but we're wide awake.
Ate Mia, sana lumaki ka ng mabuting bata, mapagmahal sa magulang at may takot sa Diyos. Kay Miro, ang baby Miro namin, sana lumaki ka din ng same kay Ate Mia, mabait, mapagmahal, may takot sa Diyos.
Yeah, I know that we'll be okay. Don't wanna wake up, see what I'm made of. Yeah, I know that we'll be okay. I won't.
Happy 7th birthday, Ate Mia, and happy 2nd birthday, baby Miro. We love you.
We're dreaming but we're wide awake. Yeah, I know that we'll be okay. Run with me, let's get away.
Masaya kasi binigyan kami ng babae at lalaki. Gusto rin talaga namin magkalalaki. Kaya dumating si Miro. Kaya sobrang masaya talaga kami nung dumating si Miro. Kasi after that, may nangyari sa akin na last na talaga si Miro. Kaya sobrang saya talaga na si Miro ibinigay sa amin ni Lord bago mangyari yung bagay na yon. Kaya masaya kami. Masaya lalo kay Ate Mia. Tsaka siyempre sa ate niya, kay Ate Yani. Tatlo sila eh. Bali, masaya kami na kami ang naging mga magulang ninyo.
We're dreaming but we're wide awake.
Happy birthday, Miro! I always pray na lumaki ka healthy and strong. And always remember I'm here for you. I love you always. Happy birthday, Mia! Sana lumaki ka takot sa Diyos. And kahit nag-aaway tayo palagi, I'm still here for you and I love you.
Okay.